remains of CRPF's second-in-command officer Maharabam Prabo, who died after he was struck by lightning during an anti-Maoist operations at Saranda forests of Chaibasa in Jharkhand, was laid to rest at his native place with full police honors in Imphal West District's Awang Sekmai today. The mortal remains of the CRPF officer arrived at Imphal Airport at around 11:40 a.m. today, where Manipur Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, IG of Manipur and Nagaland Sector Rajendra Narayan Das, DIG Manipur and Nagaland Sector R. Duidang, along with top officials from Manipur Police, paid floral tribute to the mortal remains of Officer Maharabam Prabo. Sharing his grief, Maharabam Ranjan, the elder brother of the deceased officer, expressed his pride that his brother served the nation and served well. He, however, expressed sadness on the premature demise of his brother, who passed away before the fruition of his vision on education through a school which he started when he was alive. After the laying ceremony at the airport, the mortal remains of Officer Prabo was cremated at his native place, Awang Sekmai Mayai Lekai, amidst the gun salute and guard of honor.
Mana matam sadang bagi jasa, itu kimatik mai tahu pokwa. Tasengna kalau gadi lepas kita mungkin katakan ini magi tu tadi yang proud oleh beliau mana matam sadana bagi kita bisa koi kampung Awang Sekmai. Jadi yang nak petang ba ma bagi kita bani hai dah mayang loi na hai ni.